Hi everyone, Cassie Bauer from Riveredge Nature Center here. Jumping into seed starting for those of you who are itching to get your garden started. So I'm here at my planting table. I'm going to show you a couple favorites that I'd like to get started early, and we're actually going to conduct this as a seed germination experiment because I've got some leftover seeds from last year that I'm not quite sure will sprout or if they're still viable. All right, so here we are at my planting table, and here are 5 seed varieties that I'd like to give a try with this seed germination experiment. All of these guys are left over from last year. I go sometimes a little seed crazy, or were gifted them and just didn't get to use them. And what I've got here is a stack of paper towel that I will actually moisten, and I have a little spray bottle here we can use for that. I'm going to moisten the paper towel, and I'm going to count out exactly 10 seeds. All right, so here I am. I've counted out exactly 10 seeds. You might be wondering why I'm only choosing 10. I've spritzed them down a little bit here with my spray bottle. And the reason I've only chosen 10 is because it's easy math. This is a great thing to do with your beginning gardeners. When I check these after a week, if only 7 of them have germinated or sprouted, that will tell me out of my pea packet here, which is left over from, if we check the date on the back, right here, actually 2018, so these guys are real old. If only 7 of them germinate or sprout, that means that my germination rate is 70%, 7 times 10. So you can do this gardening math and seed starting with your young gardeners. Now that everything's spritzed down, I've counted out 10 of them. I made sure to label my paper towel with the letter P for peas, so I know who's what. In case you can't remember who's who, I'll just spritz it down one more time, and I'll be moving that onto a tray that I can bring into the house where it'll stay nice and warm. Remember to watch your seeds every couple of days. Give them a spritz with a water bottle to keep them damp, not drenched. All right, so I've got my 10 pea seeds wrapped here in my pea blanket, if you will. It is damp, remember, not soaking wet. And my challenge to each of you is to post and share with me if you try your seed germination experiment. What was your success rate? Is it going to be 20%, 70%, 100% germination? I'd be very curious to see. So whatever seeds you choose to go with, whatever you got laying around or whatever you feel inspired to go to the store for, please share your results.